Welcome to the Knackler's workshop. Today we're going to look at the Emco Unimat SL lathes tool post. So to remove the tool post, you need a 5mm Allen key and just one simple bolt, and off she comes. So let's get some tools and have a look at this a bit further. Okay, so let's have a look at this tool post in a little bit more detail. So we've got, it's really very basic, we've got 3 bolts. So we've got the 2 here that clamp down the cutting tool, and then we've got the we've got this one which it's got a T-nut on the end, and that clamps the tool post to the cross slide. On a Unimat SL lathe there's no compound slide. Okay, so let's have a little bit of a measure up, give you an idea. One of the problems I had when I bought my lathe was it had no cutting tools, and I was itching to order some, but I couldn't find anywhere that actually told me what size, what dimensions the tool posts were. So actually that's the reason for this video. Okay, so let's have a look. So we're going with millimetres on this, as it's an Austrian lathe. We've got about 35mm here for the length, and we've got 25 by 25, so we're 25 square plus 30 long. And if we look at the let's get a vernier. So if we look at the slot, so this is going to give you an idea for what size tool bits or cutting tools. It's just under 5mm, so you've got very little play there. So you need to, again, it's another thing that demonstrates how small this is. So so on the bolts, they're M6 with about 1mm pitch. They are the long one that holds on to, bolts the tool post onto the cross slide is 30mm, and the two that go into the top of the tool holder to clamp the cutting tool down are 15. And then we've got a very small T, it's a bit hard to show, T-nut that goes on the bottom, and in the cross slide there's a slot for that to slide into. We've got a normal can of Coke for comparison, but in reality this is a whole lot smaller than a can of Coke. So we'll get rid of that, and we're moving into the territory of an egg cup, because this is extreme. Let's try and get the focus. This, yeah, so egg cup, we can get all the component parts into an egg cup. So again, I hope this gives you a bit of an indication of how small one of these lathes are. So just to recap, the tool post, we've got 20, is it 20 or 25? 25, 25, 35. We've got 5mm slot in there for your, this one is just under 5mm, yeah, and we've got M61 bolts, one at 30, two at 15. Okay, so that's the end of today's video. I hope you've found it helpful. Stay happy, strong and healthy. Bye bye.